Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to Swiflearn, India's most sincere learning destination for class 1 to 10. In Swiflearn, we have 100% live and interactive classes. Personalized attention will be given to each and every student where the maximum batch size is 6 students. A dedicated academic mentor will be allotted to track and work on your progress. We cover syllabus as per your school examination schedule, and also we handle custom requests. A key feature is we provide you with a detailed progress report card on monthly basis. Students can take Swiflearn academic test series, a scholarship exam conducted every Sunday from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Students can take unlimited practice tests, and all the practice tests are subjective as well as objective for your school exam. So students, those are new, book a free trial class today. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. I am Shashank sir, and today I'll be teaching you the second part of the topic, heights and distance. Yes, the objectives of today's class will be, we're going to learn about the heights and distance more, the one which we studied in the previous class. Recall line of sight, angle of diffraction, angle of elevation. Okay, and we will solve some problems on trigonometry. Yes, the applications of trigonometry we have already learned. It is used to determine the length, height of an object, distance between two objects usage. Okay, so it is used in metro constructions, okay, launching of rockets, jets, etc. These are the applications of trigonometries. And measuring of angles, angle of elevation, angle of depression. So yes, the angle between the elevated line and the horizontal level is known as angle of elevation. And if we are looking down, the distance between the horizontal and line of sight, if you are looking down, it is angle of depression. Problems on heights and distance. Let us solve some problems on heights and distance. A tower stands vertically on a ground from a point on a ground which is 50 meters away from the foot of the tower. The angle of elevation at the top of the tower is found to be 60 degrees. Find the height of the tower. Yes. So there is a tower, okay, and we are standing at 15 meters away from the tower. Yes, 15 meters away from the tower. And the angle of elevation at the top of the tower is 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. This is the height of the tower H. Okay, and the distance between foot of the tower and where we are standing is 15 meters. Find the height of the tower. Let AB is equal to H be the height of the tower. C is the point where we are standing, which is 50 meters away from the foot of the tower. From the diagram, you can say tan 60 is equal to perpendicular by base. Now, tan 60 is square root 3. AB is H, BC is 15 meters. So H is equal to 15 root 3 meters. Now what you can do is, the value of root 3 is 1.73 and 15. Multiply that, you will get the height in decimals. Okay, so 1.73 times 15. 15 3s are 45. 15 7s are 15 6 are 90. 15 7s are 105. 109. 15 ones are 15, 25. Decimal after 2 points. The height is 25.95 meters approximately. Yes. Okay. So the same thing they are doing. And the answer is 15 square root 3. Next problem. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope and the ground level is 30 degrees. We need to find AB, find the height of the pole. Okay, so tan, we can't take tan. We need a relation between the perpendicular and hypotenuse. We can take sine, we can take cosine. Let's take sine. Sine 30 is equal to AB perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sine 30 is half. AB is H, the one which we need to find, the height of the pole. AC is 20 meters. So H is equal to 20 meters by 2. H is equal to 10 meters. The height of the pole is 10 meters. Yes, this is the right answer. Next one, guys. An electrician has to repair an electric fault on a pole of height 5 meters. Okay. She needs to reach a point 1.3 meter below the top of the pole. Okay, she needs to see, this is the pole. Okay, let us draw a rough diagram. This is a pole. She needs to reach 1.3 meters below the top of the pole to undertake the repair work. What should be the length of the ladder that she uses, which when inclined at an angle of 60 degrees to the horizontal would enable to reach the required position? How far from the foot of the pole should it be placed? Okay, yes. Now see this. Okay, the height of the tower is 5 meters. Okay, out of the electrical pole is, she needs to reach 1.3 meter below. So 5 minus 1.3 is 4.7, no, 3.7. So this height is 3.7 and the angle should be 60 degrees. Okay, so what should be the length of the ladder and what distance it should be kept? This is what they are asking. Okay, so let's see whether they have given the diagram. So yes, they have given the same diagram. See this one. Okay, now let us solve this. So the height BD is 3.7 meters. Okay, so the length of the ladder, we need to find this. So BC, so again let us take sine theta. Sine 60 is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, which is BC, the length of the ladder. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2, 3.7 BC. BC is equal to 3.7, okay, into 2 by root 3 meters. Solve this to get the answer. Yes, so on solving this, okay, you get BC is equal to 4.28 meters. Now use tan theta. Okay, so use tan or cot, anything, you will get the same thing. So they have used cot, let us use cot also. So cot 60, tan 60 is perpendicular by base, it is base by perpendicular. Okay, we need to find the distance. DC by BD, cot 60 is 1 by square root 3 by this. Cross multiply, get the answer, you get DC is equal to 2.14 meters. Yes. Therefore, she should place the foot at this distance. The tree breaks due to the storm and the broken part bent so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30. So there is a tree, it has broken down and it has fallen to the ground like this and it is making 30 degrees angle. The distance between the foot of the tree and the point where it touches the ground is 8 meters. This distance is 8 meters. Find the height of the tree. Okay, let this be ACB. The height of the tree is AB plus AC. Okay, it is the total height of the tree before breaking. Now, since it has broken now, I have the base length. Let us use sine 30. No, I can't use sine 30. Let's use cos 30. Cos 30 is equal to base by hypotenuse, BC by AC. cos 30 is root 3 by 2. BC is 8 meters. AC is we need to find. AC is equal to 8 into 2 by square root 3 meter, 16 by square root 3. So find the value, solve this equation, you get the height of the tree as 8 by square root 3 meters. Got this? Okay, you will get AC first. Okay, see this is not complete yet, guys. You got AC as this. Okay, now find AB also. So AB is opposite side by base, opposite side by base. AB. So sine 30 is okay, let's use tan 30. Tan 30 is equal to AB by BC, which is 8. Tan 30 is 1 by square root 3. AB by 8. Okay, so AB is equal to 8 by square root 3. Now this is AB, this is AC. Add them. Okay, you get the total height of the tree before breaking. Okay, and if you, which is 8, 2 times 8 by square root 3 plus 8 by square root 3, which is 3 times square root 8 by 3, right? This root 3, this cancels, we get root 3. So 8 root 3 meters is the total height of the tree. Got this? Which is the answer. Next. An observer 1.5 meter tall is, okay, 28.5 meters away from the chimney. He is 28.5 meters away from the chimney. He is 1.5 meters tall. The angle of elevation at the top of the chimney from her eyes is 45 degrees. What is the height of the chimney? Let the height of the chimney be AE plus EB. We know EB is equal to height of the observer, which is 1.5 meters. Okay, now this distance DE is also 28.5. Now from triangle AED, okay, tan 45 is equal to AE by DE. Tan 45 is 1, AE by DE. The value of DE is 28.5. Therefore, AE is equal to 28.5 meters. Height of the chimney is AE plus BE, which is add 1.5 more to this, we get AE is equal to 30 meters. This is the answer. This is the height of the chimney. Yes, 30 meters is the height of the chimney. The shadow of a tower standing on a ground level is found to be 40 meters long. Let's read the sentence again. The shadow of a tower standing on a ground is found to be 40 meter longer when the sun altitude is 30 degrees than when it is 60 degrees. Find the height of the tower. Okay, see, they have given the help of the diagram. So the shadow of the tower standing on the ground level is found to be 40 meter longer when the sun altitude is 30, sun's altitude is 30 degrees than when it is on 60 degrees. Find the height of the tower. Yes, now they have given the triangle diagram. Let H be the height of the tower. Okay, now use and let BC be equal to X. Okay, so guys, we need to find H. So equate X is equal to and get the answer. Now from the diagram, tan 30, how much is tan 30? Tan 30 is equal to AB by DB. Tan 30 is 1 by square root 3. AB is H and DB is DC plus CB, which is 40 plus X. Okay, now 40 plus x is equal to h square root 3, and x is equal to h square root 3 or square root 3h minus 40. This is equation 1. From triangle ABC, tan 60 is equal to h by x. Okay, or AB by BC. Tan 60 is square root 3 h by x. X is equal to h by square root 3. This is equation 2. X is equal to this, x is equal to this. Equate equation 1 and 2. Equating equations 1 and 2, we get square root 3 h minus 40 is equal to h by square root 3. Multiply this, we get 3h minus 40 square root 3 is equal to h. Take this h this side, and this term this side. We have 3h minus h. 3h minus h is 2h. 2h is equal to 40 square root 3. This implies h is equal to 40 square root 3 by 2, which is 20 square root 3 meters. If you want in decimals, multiply 1.73 to 20, you will get the answer. Yes. The angle of elevation of a top of a tower from the ground. Okay, the angle of elevation of a top of a tower from a point on a ground which is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower. See, the angle of elevation is 30 degrees and the distance between them is 30 meters. Find the height of the tower. So tan 30 is equal to height of the tower by 30 meters. Tan 30 is 1 by square root 3 h by 30. So h is equal to 30 by square root 3 meters. This also can be written as, see, 30 can be written as 10 into 3 divided by square root 3. This cancels, we have square root 3. So h is 10 square root 3 meters. Both the answers are right. 10 square root 3 meters is the right answer. From a point on a bridge across a river, the angle of depression of the banks on the opposite sides of the river are 30 and 45 degrees respectively. With the bridge height of 3 meters from the bank, find the width of the river. Let us check whether they have given some diagram or not. Yes, the diagram is given, because it is very confusing to read this. See, according to the diagram from this point, okay, the angle of depression is 45 degrees and 35 degrees. The depth is 3 meters. Find the width of the river. Find AB. Okay, from triangle PDA. Okay, so guys, see this. This is parallel to this. This is a transversal. So can you tell me how much this angle will be? This is also 30. Okay, this is also 45 degrees. From triangle PDA. Okay, so tan 30 is equal to PD by AD. So tan 30 is 1 by square root 3, PD is 3, AD. Therefore, AD is equal to 3 square root 3 meters. Similarly, from triangle BDB, tan 45 is equal to PD by DB. Tan 45 is 1, PD is 3, DB we need to find. So DB or PD, same thing, is equal to 3 meters. The width of the river is equal to AD plus DB. AD plus DB is equal to width of the river, which is 3 square root 3 plus 3. So this is nothing but 1 plus square root 3 meters. As like this also you can write, or you simplify 3 as 1.73 Add with 1, you get 2.73. So 2 into 3.73. ऐसा भी कर सकते हो. Get the answer. So 3 in bracket 1 plus square root 3 meters is the answer. So this is a fun fact. Read this. Have you ever played the game Mario? Trigonometry helps Mario to jump over obstacles. As you know, game industry is all about IT and computers, and hence trigonometry is of equal importance in this engineering fields. What have we learned today? We have learned the mind map of heights and distance, recalled line of sight, angle of depression, angle of elevation, and we solved some problems on trigonometry. Yes. So students, these are few extra problems. Okay, we will also solve them. So the angle of depression of the two ships from the top of the lighthouse is on the same side is found to be 45 and 30 degrees. If the ships are 200 meters apart, find the heights of the lighthouse. Okay, so this is a lighthouse. Okay, these are the two ships. Let's say they are at same level. Okay, and the green ones are the two ships. Okay, the angle of depression from the lighthouse is 45 and 30. Now see this. This angle is smaller. Okay, so this will be 30 degrees and the other will be 45 degrees. Yes, this angle is 30 degrees and the total angle, this angle is 45 degrees. This is a parallel line, this is a transversal, so this is also 45 and this is 30 degrees. The distance between the ship is 200 meters. Okay, find the height of the lighthouse. We have done this. Let this be h, let this be x. Okay, so solve this. Let's solve this. And let us name this as A, B, C and D. From triangle ABC, tan 45 is equal to AB by BC. Tan 45 is 1, AB is h, BC is x. This implies x is equal to h. This is equation 1. Tan 30 from triangle ABD, tan 30 is AB by BD. Tan 30 is 1 by square root 2. AB is h, BD is 200 plus x. Cross multiply, you have 200 plus x is equal to square root 3h. 200 plus x. X is equal to square root 3h plus 200. Now this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Equate them. H is equal to square root 3h plus 200. Okay, now take this side. H is equal to 1. Okay, take this. Okay, so just a minute guys, just a minute. This is 45. Okay, so tan 45 is 1 by square root 3. So h square root 3 is this. X is equal to square root 3 minus 200. This is minus 200 guys. That's why. Okay, so square root 3h minus 200. Now root 3 is 1.73 to greater than 1. So let's take 200 this side. So I'm going to need this space. Rewrite this. H minus h is equal to square root 3 h minus 200. Take minus 200 this side, we have 200, and take h this side, we have square root 3 h minus h is equal to 200. H is equal to, I've taken h common, so we have square root 3 minus 1. So h is equal to 200 by square root 3 minus 1. This is the height. If you want, you can rationalize this, simplify this. Okay, So 200 by square root 3 minus 1. You can leave it as it is, or you can rationalize this like this. H is equal to 200 square root 3 minus 1. Multiply by square root 3 plus 1 by square root 3 plus 1. So we have 200 square root 3 plus 200 divided by, let's keep this as it is, 200 into square root 3 plus 1 divided by a minus b into a plus b is a square plus b square. Square root 3 square is 3 minus b square is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. So divide by 2. This is 100 square root 3 plus 1 in the bracket. Okay. What square root 3 is 1.73 plus 1 is 2.73. So it is 273 meters approximately. See, this is also the right answer. This is also the right answer. This is also the right answer. Any three among them. So let us check. Okay, 273.2 meters. That's the answer. Another problem is for you guys. Homework. Solve this. Okay. So yes. So that's all for today. We'll stop here. I'm Shashank sir signing off. Bye bye. Have a nice day, everyone.